In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten video in CapCut PC. If you have a clip that looks too dark, muddy, or underexposed, don't worry. CapCut PC makes it very easy to fix, and in just a few simple adjustments, you can bring back detail and make your footage look much clearer and more balanced. This is especially helpful when shadows are hiding important parts of your shot or when the entire image feels a little lifeless. To get started, select the footage you want to correct. Move your mouse down to the timeline and find the dark video clip you want to brighten. Click directly on that clip once. When it's selected, you'll see a bright white border around the clip block. That visual highlight confirms that CapCut knows exactly which piece of footage that you want to edit, so any changes you make will be applied to that clip. Once the clip is selected, move your attention to the top right side of the screen, where the Properties panel is located. Click on the tab labeled Video, and then choose the section called Adjustment underneath it. In that area, make sure the Basic sub-tab is selected. This is where CapCut keeps the main lighting and exposure controls, and it's the best place to start when you need a quick and clean brightness correction. Now it's time to brighten the clip. Inside the Adjustment panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Light. In this section, locate the slider called Brightness. Click and drag that slider to the right. As you do this, you'll raise the overall exposure of the video, and you should immediately see the image become lighter in the preview window. After that, look for the slider labeled Shadows. Drag this one to the right as well. This is a very useful adjustment because it helps lift darker areas of the image without affecting the brightest parts too aggressively. In other words, it can reveal hidden background details and improve visibility while helping your whites stay cleaner and less washed out. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the preview screen in the center. You want the video to look brighter and clearer, but still natural. A small adjustment can often make a big difference, so it's a good idea to increase these sliders gradually. And that's it. With your timeline clip selected, the adjustment panel open, and the brightness and shadows sliders increased, your dark footage should now look much more polished and visible. You're all set. Done.